Hello, my name is Ashraf bin Abdul Hadi, and I'm from a School of Computer and Communication Engineering. In this video, I will explain to you about my internship at Pacific Engineering Kerjaan Berhad. Pacific Engineering is a Malaysian-Australian joint venture company that was established in 1968. They are the pioneers in manufacture of hot water storage heater in Malaysia under the trade name Pico. Pacific Engineering specializes in manufacturing different range and type of water storage heater, from domestic 5-gallon tank to a commercial 2,000-gallon tank. Their products include electric storage hot water heater, hybrid hot water storage tank, solar hot water system, commercial heat pump, and mini heat pump. Electric storage water heater use electricity to heat up the water. This is the most common product that sold by this company. Hybrid hot water storage tank use heat generated by the air conditioner outdoor unit to heat up the water. Solar hot water system use sun energy to heat up the water. Heat pump use heat from the surrounding air to heat up the water. It is the reverse function of air conditioner. Instead of producing cold air, it produces hot air to heat up the water by coiling the hot refrigerant inside the tank. Similar to heat pump, but instead of having two units, the heater and the water storage, mini heat pump combine both the heater and the storage to become one unit. On the first day of industrial training, I was assigned to the sales and marketing support department, and from there, I was put under Mr. Kenny guidance. Under Mr. Kenny, there are 4 other interns that start at the same time as me. There are 4 main tasks that I need to do during this internship: documentation, material sourcing, and material surveying. On the first week, I was asked to do a documentation on a few projects, collecting and processing raw data into useful, readable data that can be referred in the future. The next task, I have to find the supplier or manufacturer for the company's spare parts. This is called material sourcing. Here is an example on how I handle material sourcing. I will use Excel fan as an example. First, get multiple suppliers. It can be either local or international. Survey their website and collect their information. The sample arrives few days or weeks depending on how it delivered, either by air or sea. The sample then passed to the R&D department for further testing. Depending on the result, the company can decide whether to accept or reject the supplier. If the company accepts the supplier, I have to negotiate with the supplier until the supplier gives the final price. Then I pass the task to my supervisor and my part is done. Similar to Excel fan, I also need to find items like thermofuse, indicator lens, and thermostat. Besides sourcing, I do a lot of material survey. Material that make up the Pico tank like aluminium, stainless steel, electro-galvanized steel, copper tube, and copper fitting. Unlike material sourcing, I only do survey or collecting information on different suppliers and compare them without contacting them. I get a lot of experience and new knowledge from this internship program. I want to thank Mr. Kenny for guiding me and for sharing his experience. I also want to thank my friends and my colleagues for sharing their knowledge and make my day in internship joyful and fun. That's all for me. Thank you very much.